Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious homemade ice cream with an easy guide. First, gather your essential ingredients: heavy cream, whole milk, sugar, and a flavor extract like vanilla. Next, make sure your ice cream maker's bowl is pre-frozen for at least 24 hours. This step is crucial for proper churning. Finally, whisk your liquid ingredients together in a large bowl until well combined, then chill the mixture thoroughly. Once your base is chilled, give it another good whisk to ensure the sugar is completely dissolved. Then, carefully pour the entire mixture into your pre-frozen ice cream maker bowl. Turn on your machine and let it churn for about 20 to 25 minutes. You're looking for a consistency similar to soft-serve ice cream, which indicates it's ready for the next step. Now for the fun part, adding your favorite mix-ins. During the last 5 minutes of churning, you can add things like chocolate chips, cookie pieces, or fresh fruit. Once churning is complete, transfer the soft ice cream into an airtight container. Place it in the freezer for a minimum of 4 hours. This allows it to firm up to that perfect, scoopable consistency we all love. When you're ready to enjoy your homemade creation, take it out of the freezer and let it sit at room temperature for 5 to 10 minutes. This makes it easier to scoop. Feel free to add your favorite toppings, like sprinkles or a drizzle of fudge, for an extra special touch. Any leftovers can be stored in an airtight container in the freezer for up to 2 weeks, ready for your next craving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.